From Easy Elite English, one more video, Food Part 1 for Class 6. Food Part 1 for Class 6. We will be coming with Part 2 of the video. Food Part 1. Here what you can see, a delicious meal spread out just for you. It has so many items. You can count. Item number 1, item number 2, item number 3, item number 4, item number 5, item number 6, and item number 7. 7 items, actually we call them dishes. 7 dishes forming a really delicious meal. So let us see what is food, what is the meaning of meal, what are dishes, what are ingredients, and where do we get the ingredients to make our food, and also what do animals eat. And this is what we are showing, what we eat, what do animals eat, that also we will be discussing. So let's go on a delicious journey of food. First of all, what is food? Whether it is for humans or for animals, food is anything from environment that we take in for energy, growth, and development. Food is anything we get from the environment and we take in, we consume for energy, growth, and development. Animals take uncooked food, grass, leaves, flesh. Here you can see a cow grazing, eating grass. Uncooked food. Human beings prepare food. Food taken at a particular time of the day is a meal. Breakfast taken in the morning, lunch taken at noon, dinner taken maybe in the late evening. So breakfast, lunch and dinner, that is the food taken at a particular time of the day. That's a meal. A meal consists of several dishes. Lunch is a meal. It's a food taken at a particular time, say at 1 o'clock, and there are several dishes, items, rice, dal, curry. So these are items or dishes. And in order to prepare these dishes, if you want to prepare rice or dal or curry, you need several ingredients. So breakfast, for instance, is a meal. Why? Because it's a food taken at a particular time of the day, maybe in the morning at 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. So here we have a breakfast, the entire thing forming a meal. It has 3 dishes, pulao, raita and curry. Pulao 1, raita number 2 and curry number 3. 3 items or 3 dishes forming one meal or breakfast. And in order to prepare the pulao, what are the things you need? That we call the ingredients. You may need rice, you may need vegetables, you may need salt, you may need spices, you may need cooking oil, you may need ghee, you may need salt. These are the ingredients. So breakfast is a meal. Each of the items we call a dish. And in order to prepare that dish, what are the things you use? They form the ingredients. Ingredients for our dishes come from plants or animals or environment. The ingredients we are using to prepare our dishes, they may come from plants, they may come from animals or from non-living environment. Ingredients which we get from animals, that is animal sources. Milk, butter, ghee, fish, meat, honey. Milk, butter, ghee, fish, egg, honey, meat. These are coming from animal sources. Plant sources, we are getting grains like rice, wheat, maize, barley, oat, vegetables, fruits, spices, and cooking oils. Grains, wheat, from where you get atta and maida, barley, paddy, from where you are getting rice, cooking oil, various kinds of spices, different fruits, vegetables. These actually come from plants, plant sources. Now, two very important items come from non-living sources, water and salt. Water, you get from wells, you get from lakes, ponds, and salt we get by evaporating seawater. So, salt and water coming from non-living environment. So, we are getting fruits, vegetables, spices, cooking oil, grains from plant, milk, butter, ghee, fish, egg, honey, and meat from animals, and salt from seawater and water from lakes and ponds. These is what we call the sources: animal sources, plant sources, and non-living or environment from where we get water and salt. Now, which part of plants do we eat? Whatever we eat or whatever is fit to be eaten is called edible. The word edible means it can be eaten. The word edible means it can be eaten. Mango is edible. A stone or a rock is not edible. We mainly eat roots, stems, leaves, flowers, or fruits of plants. Edible roots, the roots we eat: radish, carrot, beet. Edible stems, sugarcane. Then these are underground stems, but they grow underground below the soil. Potato, onion, ginger. Then we have edible leaves, coriander, dhania. We have lettuce, we have pudina, mint. So then we have fruits, mango, orange. We have seeds, the seeds of pea pod. We have various nuts, coconut, almond, groundnut. So these are from the edible parts of the plant. So the edible part could be roots, stems, leaves, flowers, or fruits. Some plants may have more than one edible part. Coriander or dhania, we eat the leaves, dhania pata, and also the seeds, dhania seeds. Banana, we eat the fruit, the stem, and the flower, banana flower, banana stem, and the fruit. Mustard, we eat the seeds and also the leaves. So plants could have more than one edible part. Now let's see what animals eat. There are animals which eat only plants and plant products. We call them herbivores or herbivorous animals. Most of them would be eating roots, leaves, or tender stems of fruits or nuts. Squirrels mainly eat nuts. Elephants, they eat fruits, stems, and roots. They dig their roots with their tusk. Plants, elephants love coconuts, sugarcane, and potatoes. These are their favorite food: coconuts, sugarcane, potatoes. Elephants love to eat them. Monkeys eat all kinds of fruits. Many birds eat seeds and fruits. We are talking of herbivorous birds. Cows, goat, horses, zebra, giraffe, they mainly eat leaves and grass. So here we have a list of herbivorous animals: cow, deer, parrot, kangaroo, horse, goat, rabbit, elephant, sheep, camel. So these are herbivorous animals. Carnivores are carnivorous animals that eat flesh of other animals. They eat the flesh of other animals. Either they kill the animals or they already eat the flesh, already the dead animals, They hunt for dead animals and eat the flesh of the dead bodies, or they catch, attack, kill the animals and then eat the flesh. Lions and tigers are familiar examples. Here you have a picture, a lion attacking a buffalo. So tiger, lion, walrus, crocodile, snake, hyena, these are examples of carnivorous animals. Omnivores, those which eat both flesh and plants. Humans are the best example. We are eating plant products and also eggs, fishes, and meat. Bears are also omnivorous. So they eat both plants and animals. Rat is one very good example. So these are omnivores or omnivorous animals which eat both plants and animals. Lastly, why do we need food? Food gives us energy for various activities. Food gives the energy for all the activities: running, playing, studying, fighting. Food provides materials for bodybuilding and growth. Food helps prevent diseases. Many of the food helps to prevent diseases. Foods help to repair wounds or injuries or any damage to any parts of the body. So why do we need food? We need it for energy. We need it for materials to build our body, for growth or repair any wounds or injuries. We need food to prevent diseases. So that was Easy Elite English. WhatsApp us or email us for any specific video on any topic. For all our services are entirely free of charge. And meanwhile, enjoy this delicious South Indian meal. So enjoy the food and enjoy the video because both of them are good for health.